Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look using the Pixi X Promise Shapeshifter palette. I am so excited about this video because I've been really liking this palette. I've been using it on my eyes and my face and it is so good. So without further ado, let's begin. So here is this beautiful palette. This is the Shapeshifter palette from Pixi in collaboration with Promise. Promise is such a YouTube icon, definitely one of the OGs, and I've been following her for so long. And when I saw that they were collaborating and that this palette was out at the Target near me, I definitely had to snatch it and give it a go, and I immediately fell in love with it. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do a YouTube video because it deserves its own video. So I decided to create this look right here. Alright, so enough about the palette, let's get into the tutorial. I'm first going to brighten under the eyes with this creamy shade Yak using my Sigma F25 tapered face brush. Now it's time to bronze, and I'm going to be mixing these two shades right here, Kathmandu and Karma, using my F27 iconic bronze brush from Sigma. Look at the difference. I mean, wow, it's like night and day. I love how easy it is to blend. It looks so good on the skin. All right, so now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Now it's time to snatch the nose area, and I'm going to be applying the shade Kathmandu and using my Sigma E35 diffused crease brush to blend this shade onto the nose area to give myself a nice nose contour and elongate the nose. Now it's time to highlight, and this is so exciting. I'm going to apply the shades Momo and Rupees, mix them together, and using my Sigma Beauty F3 High Cheekbone Highlighter brush, I'm going to apply it on my face. I don't know if you guys are ready for this, but this is a blinding highlight. I told you, so beautiful. Promise really delivered that glow. I love this. A little bit on the nose. Now you don't have to apply your highlight as dramatic as I did. I really love a nice glowy highlight when I'm doing a full glam makeup day, but you can always apply less so it's not as blinding if this isn't your cup of tea. However, I am here for it and I love the glow. So that's it for the face. So now let's move on to the eyes. What I love the most about this palette is how universal it is, how you can use it on your face as well as your eyes. I think the formulas were just made so well, so they're really nice and blendable. You get the perfect amount of pigment and it's just so easy to blend on the eyes as well as the face. Definitely not chalky at all or patchy. I really love this formula. I've worn this on my eyes several times now and really love it. So very quickly, let's do a quick eye tutorial using this palette. I'm going to take a little bit of Kathmandu and use my E25 blending brush from Sigma Beauty to blend the shade into the crease. With the same blending brush, I'm going to dip in the shade Spice and apply this just to the outer portion of my eyelids. Now using my E65 small angled brush from Sigma, I'm going to spray it with a little bit of the SOS spray from Tower 28 Beauty. Now I'm going to dip into this dark shade Bazaar and use this as a eyeliner. So I'm going to create a small little baby wing only on the end of my eyelid here. Now I'm going to use the E20 short shader brush from Sigma Beauty, and I'm going to apply Kathmandu to the lower lash line area. With the same brush, I'm going to apply the shade Spice, again to the lower lash line area, but I'm just going to focus it on the outer portion. So now with my E30 pencil brush from Sigma Beauty, I'm going to apply the shade Momo to the inner tear ducts to highlight. I'm going to take my ring finger and pat lightly into the shade Rupees, and I'm just going to gently pat that shade on the lid area. I don't want to steal too much from the eyes. I just like a light wash of something sparkly. You can definitely pack it on to get really nice shimmery shadow, but I prefer just a light wash, just kind of a little bit of a glisten as it reflects the light. I think it looks super pretty, and I've been really into that kind of look lately, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I really like my eyes to pop, so I'm going to apply my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk on my waterline. So now it's time to apply mascara, and I'm first going to curl my lashes and then apply the Maybelline Sky High Mascara to my upper and lower lashes. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to apply my Queen Bee lashes from Koko Lashes using my House of Lashes Lash Adhesive. Time to seal everything with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So here's the final look. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know if you plan on getting this palette for yourself. Promise, if you're watching, you did such a great job with this palette. Congratulations on your first collab. You absolutely killed it. I love, love, love this palette. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. Please also follow me on my other socials. I am at Padee Tina Kong. I hope to see you in my next video, and as always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye! Thank you.